DJ Iconic Team.
Alright, welcome to this channel. They call me Badness Badman DJ Iconic Team, and today I'm here to educate you on a few things, really important things. If you want to set up your online shop, an online e-commerce shop, that is where you can showcase your products or services on social media or on a website. There are a few things that you need to know. It's impossible to set up a physical shop somewhere that is a brick and mortar shop. That is where people can come and see your products and make purchases. But sometimes you find that you want to do that. However, you don't have the capital to do that. Yeah. But right now, with the advancement of technology, things have become easy. You can have your shop online somewhere in the web where people can just come, order things, and you deliver them to wherever they are without having to look for money to set up a physical shop. You know, sometimes capital can be a challenge, yeah? We all can agree on that. But there's no way you can set up a shop without money coming into your pocket. You know, when you want to set up a shop, that means you have to take money out of your pocket and go start a shop which you're not sure whether it's going to give you any returns. So the best bet in 2022 and 2023 is you'd rather start somewhere online, and then from there you can scale to a physical shop once you have your own clients and once you've established your own brand. Yeah. So quick fast, let's dive into it. First things first, you need to come up with a brand name that you're gonna stick with, yeah, on the long run. Something that is memorable to you, something that is easy to remember, something that is easy to make a domain. If you don't know what a domain is the name, the www.blablabla.com. For example, for my website, it's www.djiconic.com. Yeah. So you need to come up with a brand name, something that you're gonna be associated with, something that your store is gonna be associated with. That is the step number one. Yeah. Come up with the domain. The second thing I want you to do is come up with the products that you want to sell. Yeah. Which one should be first between the two? Which one do you think comes first, yeah? The domain or the product? Think about that. You can start with the product, and then you can decide on the name of your shop. And then from there, once you get the name of your shop, once you get the name of your shop, you need to buy the domain. The domain, that is your www.blablabla.com.co. There are extensions. Extensions are the .coms, .xyz, .shop, .online, .co.ke, .uk, stuff like that. I know you understand what I'm saying. So first, you need to register your domain. There are so many domain registers on the web. I use GoDaddy. There are Which one else? Let me try to remember. We have WordPress, we have Google, we have I'm thinking about others. We have Canva. Canva does offer domains. We also have Shopify, they also offer domains. Let me see where else you can buy your domain. Okay, I've forgotten. So once you register your domain, you also need to go to an e-commerce site provider. And here I'm going to give examples. Number one, we have Shopify. We have Ecommerce. We have Magento. Is it Magenta or Magento? Which other one do you know? But for this video, I'm going to give you the one that I use. I use Shopify because their services are really easy to integrate with other websites such as Facebook. We have Google Merchant, Manufacturer Center, Google Shopping, Google Ads, so many things. It's so easy to integrate. And also GoDaddy works well with Shopify. You get it? Yeah? I'm not advertising these services. I'm just telling you what I use. It's always the things that I'll tell you when you tell me, hey, Iconic, Timo, guide me on this. Yeah, those are the things that I'm going to tell you because I've tried so many others, but those are the ones that work for me. Yeah. So after you get the two, after you register your domain, then you're going to build your site on either Shopify, WooCommerce, those other e-commerce. We also have Equid. Yeah, if you know Equid is another one. So once you join your domain and your website, that is your website, that what am I going to call it? Your website is where you are going to host your products. That is where you're going to have your online store. If you want a deep dive video, or rather a step-by-step guide, I can do another separate video, but you have to show interest. Tell me in the comments below that you want me to do that. Otherwise, if you want me to teach you, I can teach you, but it's gonna take a lot of time. I don't like doing that. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. If you have your question, or you must have questions, let me know in the comments. Put them there, and then I'll get back to you with amazing knowledge. I have so much things that I can put out there, but you have to show me interest. Yeah. These things I do spend a lot of time researching, blah blah blah, and then I do trials with my own cash, with my own. There are so many things that I can teach you. In the meantime, this was just a slight introduction. I'll see you in the next one, in the next video. Stay subscribed, stay locked, share this content, and I'll see you in the next one. Up until then, have a good time. Remember to drink water, stay hydrated, work out, go out for the sun, and always think about business ideas. Never stop. That's it. Bye bye.
Young Nino, Cabana Pico, Carlito, Scarface, Al Pacino, Bumbido, Pimp C, Arpedo. I goes
Badness Batman. DJ Iconic Tim.
Young Nino, Cabana Pico, Carlito, Scarface.